Good morning, boys and girls. This week is all about learning different strategies to help you solve addition problems. So first we used a 10 frame and we colored in the squares to represent the two different numbers that we were adding. And then we counted how many squares we had colored all together. And then we used our Unifix cubes and we still used two different colors to represent the different numbers. And we counted how many cubes we had all together. Kind of very similar to the 10 frame, only we were using actual objects that we were moving around and not just coloring. Today we are learning how to draw a picture to help us find the answer of an addition problem. And the answer of an addition problem is called the sum. So I want to remind you that this symbol right here is a plus sign. So when we read this problem, we say 4 plus 2. And I like to think of a plus sign as a person with big open arms ready to hug you. Because when we add, we're pulling all the numbers together. And then this symbol right here is an equal sign. So when we read this equation, which is the numbers plus these signs, it's called an equation, we read it 4 plus 2 equals, and then we're about to find the number. So today we're practicing another strategy to help you solve addition problems, and this strategy is drawing a picture, okay? So again, your pictures are not anything elaborate like school buses or Christmas trees or anything like that. They drew stars and triangles as an example. Perfectly fine. Sometimes circles are even too much and I just draw little lines. So our picture is just something that we put on the paper that we can see. It doesn't have to be an elaborate picture. So let's look at the first one that they did for us. We're trying to figure out 4 plus 2 and what that equals. So the first number they drew circles for. 1, 2, 3, 4. They drew 4 circles. And our second number is a 2 and they drew triangles. So they drew 1 triangle, 2 triangles. So now remember that adding means bringing everything together. We just have to count how many pictures we have drawn here. Are you ready? 1, count with me, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Now remember how to write a 6. All of our numbers and letters start at the top. We go all the way down and we circle up to give them a little belly. That's how we make the number 6. All right. So now we're going to come over here to this problem, and it says 2 plus 3 equals, and we're trying to figure out what it equals. So I'm just going to use the same two shapes. For the first number, I'm going to draw circles, so I need to draw 1, 2 circles. For the second number, I'm going to draw triangles, so I need to draw 3 triangles. I draw my triangles like this. You could try to draw without picking up your pencil. I guess I could do it that way too. Okay, now that we have our picture drawn, now we have to count how many pictures we drew all together. Are you ready to count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. For 5, I'm going to do a line down, circle around to give them a belly, and then give them a hat. All right. Now we're going to go down to the next one. Again, if I go too quick because I can't see how fast you're drawing or writing, you can always pause and then hit play too. That's one of the cool things about virtual, is that if you need to pause me, you can pause me, but in class it's really hard to pause a teacher. But here it's really easy. So our first number, I'm going to draw circles for. So how many circles do we need to draw? We need to draw 5 circles, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. Our second number, I'm going to draw a triangle. How many triangles am I going to draw? I'm going to draw 1 triangle. All right, let's count our pictures. How many pictures do we have all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey, we have a 6 right here. So we're going to start up at the top, go down, circle around to the front to give them a belly. Okay. This 6 is trying to be fancy and the top goes over a little bit more. That's okay. So for this first number, I'm going to draw circles. How many circles do I need? I just told you 6, right? All right, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and for our second number, I'm going to draw triangles. How many triangles do I need to draw? I need to draw 2 triangles, right? 1, 2. All right, let's count how many pictures we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, 8's a tricky number to write. Are you ready? We're going to start up at the top. We go up just a little, and then we come down, around, and back up. Back up. Writing a number 8 is tricky because we have to cross over, go down, and go up. All right, we're going to do these last 2 real quick. But what I want you to do is I want you to pause and try them first, and then hit play and check your work, okay? So go ahead, try doing the last 2, and then hit play and see if you were right. All right, did you pause and try the last 2 on your own? You guys are so smart. I bet you did a great job. All right, my first number is 2. I'm going to cruise through these ones pretty quick because you guys already did yours. So, I draw 2 circles. My second number is a 7. I'm going to draw 7 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, I'm going to count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I start up at the top, I circle all the way around, and then I bring it all the way down. Give it a nice, long, tall flamingo leg to stand on. Did you get 9 for this one too? I knew it. You guys were so smart. All right, here's the last one. Remember, circles for the first number. That's what I'm doing anyways. You could have done a different picture. I'm going to draw 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. Triangles for the second number. I'm going to draw 4. Yep, that's a triangle. That's not a triangle. That's why we use our pencils. And remember, just draw your best triangle, but that time the pencil got away from me, and that wasn't my best triangle. And we have erasers in case we make mistakes, because Lord knows Miss Wrenchler makes mistakes all the time, and it is okay. All right, let's count them up all together, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 4 does not equal 6. What did I do wrong? Speaking of mistakes, how many circles do I have? 1, 2, 3. I have 3 circles. How many triangles do I need? I need 4 triangles. Let's see if I have 4 triangles. 1, 2, 3. I don't have 4 triangles. All right, let's see if I have 4 triangles now. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's count them and see how many pictures we have again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. And to make a 7, remember, it's like a car driving down the road. It's going to go over, stop, and go straight down. And that's how we make a number 7. All right, friends, thanks for hanging out with me and doing math. I hope that you had so much fun drawing pictures. We did this page together, and I hope that you had fun. You have this page to practice on your own, okay? The examples are the same, but the second problem is different. instead of 2 plus 3, you're doing 5 plus 3. Okay? You guys got this. I will see you soon and have fun.